Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Hifree bird watching camera with solar panel. This thing's super nice. You can use it for watching birds eat, you can use it for watching nests, and you can also use it for watching birds taking baths. There's all kinds of uses for it. You can also upload your videos and look at other people's videos from a bird watching community, like and comment on videos. It has 500 megabytes of built-in storage. It's a cloud storage, so it lasts for 3 days, and you can just view all your videos, download them straight from the app. No need for a memory card or anything like that. As you can see, I have the solar panel facing the south direction, so it can get the sunlight. So it always charges up the battery on the camera. No need to actually plug it into the wall or anything like that. I have the camera mounted here. It has these gooseneck arms for the camera and for the solar panel. It's directed straight at the bird feeder. So this kit comes with all the installation hardware, the solar panel, the camera, user manual, also additional charging cable in case you do want to plug it into the wall for whatever reason. It even comes with these mounting belts in case you don't want to actually screw anything in. You can go ahead and just tighten these around poles. So if you happen to have poles that are near your bird feeders, you can go ahead and tighten it around that. Here's a closer look at the solar panel and the camera setup. As you can see, you've got the infrared light up here, you've got the motion detection sensor right here, you got the camera lens, you got the indicator light, you got a flashlight, you've got a microphone around here and a speaker even on the back, so you can basically talk to the birds if you want. Maybe also sound off a siren. You can kind of use this as like an intruder alarm. And then there's that solar panel. As you can see, complete gooseneck, so you can kind of tilt this whatever way you want.
And check out this video of a bird actually eating some food. I got this within just a few hours of setting up the camera. As you can see, very nice clear quality. Here is another video. We got 2 birds on this time. Super clear quality, really impressed. Overall, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.